slowly and steadily, as the puzzle pieces come together, the investigative agencies are tracking the movements of the suspects in this case, and now they finally know that the India Gate, the Constitution Club, the Red Fort and the Gauri Shankar temple may have been the intended targets for this white collar terror module.
Well, definitely, according to the investigation sources, the terror module behind the Delhi blast had planned a series of coordinated attacks across the national capital and with some of the city's prominent places and the symbolic landmark on their target list. If we talk about the Red Fort, a historic and the high security in India, was in the target. The India Gate, one of the country's most visited public monuments, often crowded with the tourists and the local. The India Gate was on the target. The Constitution Club of India was one of the prime locations that was on the target, and also Gauri Shankar temple, which is located in the Chandni Chowk, just near the Red Fort. Is just in front of the Red Fort is centuries old and most visited worship place near the Red Fort. So definitely the Red Fort, India Gate, Constitution Club of India and Gauri Shankar temple, these were the four places which we are getting to know was on the target of the this terror module behind, who was behind the Delhi blast. They were planning a series of coordinated attack across the national capital, and the investigators believe the group objective was to strike the multiple high-profile and crowded, sites, creating maximum panic and also send a symbolic message against the Indian state. So definitely the target was those places which are mostly crowded, which have identity, which are historic. These were the four places that the terrorists were trying to target. There was a blast at the Red Fort that we have seen. It was a pre-planned blast that has already been mentioned, and now one by one there are a lot of pages that are opening in this investigation, and now the new information have came, in which it is said that the terror module which is behind the Delhi blast has planned a series of attacks, and there were prominent places that were on their target, including Red Fort, India Gate, Constitution Club of India and also Gauri Shankar temple. Yes.
Right. Arzu, we are also learning that this all comes through the investigation that all the agencies are conducting. They have been, looking at and tracing all the CCTV footage. That's how we came to know that some of these suspects even did a recce of the entire Red Fort area for Republic Day during that time period in January. We also are tracking the investigative agencies, how they are looking at mobile phone signals, how they are looking at where these signals were actually positioned, these locations, and that's how they are able to actually inform everyone what their intended targets were, and in fact Red Fort was one of their targets.
Definitely in the Delhi terror blast, investigators have uncovered a larger plot that suggests that the Red Fort explosion was the only part of the planned series of coordinated attack, and also there were recce that these people were doing in January. Also there were recce of the Red Fort area that was already done, and 8 suspects are reportedly involved in the conspiracy. They had planned to carry out serial blasts at the 4 different locations across the country, and also the operatives were divided into 4 groups that we are getting to know. Each group was
right. Arzu, please do stay on with us. That's the latest update that we are getting in this Delhi terror blast case, that according to investigative agency sources, around 8 suspects had planned serial blasts at 4 locations. They were planning to move to 4 different cities in groups of 2, with each group carrying multiple IEDs. So Arzu, that's the latest bit of information that you were in fact telling us, that they are around 8 suspects who were planning to carry out attacks in 4 major cities.
Well, and this is a big information that is coming in as it is, what we're getting to know from our sources, investigative agency sources, that around each suspect plans to carry out a serial blast at 4 locations, not one, but at 4 locations. And they had planned to move to 4 cities in group of 2 each. So definitely they were planning to go to other 4 cities in the country in a group of 2. Also, each group was supposed to carry multiple IDs along with them, so that they couldn't be identified with by the police or the security agents. So definitely this was a planned series of coordinated attack that they were planning, and 8 suspect was reportedly involved in the conspiracy. Each group was assigned to travel to a different city carrying multiple IDs with them, and officials believe this network were operating under the direction of the foreign handlers, as the link of Turkey is also coming in, that Umar Nabi was also said to be visited Turkey, and also the planning was being done there also. So there is a lot of investigation that is now going on. The investigators are now focusing on tracing the remaining suspect or their funding sources, their international links, especially those connecting to Pakistan-based terror organizations. So there are a lot of information that are coming in, or also there are a lot of information that needs to be exposed. Lot of questions around who was behind, who all are involved and who was funding this, who have instructed them to do this. A lot of questions, but now what we are getting to know, and this is a big information, that not only the national capital but also the 4 other locations, they
All
had